Introduce highlight features and quick overview of ECOVACS DEEBOT N7 Robot Vacuum Cleaner and Mop. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs. Filter by specification, type, brand, and more. Never miss a new clip from our channel. You can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Highlight features or overview summary are include. Powerful 2300 PA suction allows you to clean hard-to-reach dust and dirt embedded in floor crevices and deep in the bottom layer of your carpets while maintaining durability and low noise levels. Vacuuming and OZMO mopping in one go. It automatically avoids carpets when mopping hard floors and doubles the suction power when vacuuming carpets. Clean efficiently with Smart Navi 3.0, a laser-based LiDAR navigation that lets N7 generate a smart interactive map of your home for a fully customizable cleaning and plans the most efficient paths for faster cleaning with fewer missed or repeated spots even in the dark. Exceptional runtime of up to 110 minutes. It automatically returns to the charging dock when its battery is low, then picks up cleaning right where it left off once it has enough power to finish the job. Customized cleaning allows you can create unlimited virtual boundaries, create no-go zones, clean by room/area, merge, divide and label rooms, schedule cleaning, and select cleaning modes on multiple floors. If you do not understand, not sure or have questions from described in this video, you can access the link in the video description box. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.